Saga continues. Here we are again at another courthouse. This one, I believe, is what we call the county court. Here we go, people. There's your blows. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Right, you're going then.
Yeah, whenever there. I'd like to present some documents to the court, sir.
Just put your Crown County.
Hey?
Crown County.
It's Affidavit statement of truth. So, county, I believe. I've been to the magistrates, they told me to come to the Crown and County, so I'm not sure.
Oops,
Where am I going now? What's that? And what's that to?
That's the office.
The office, he says. Which office?
Yeah.
Alright, cheers, buddy. Afternoon. Hello there. You okay? Yeah. No, I'm going around in circles today. I'm not having much luck. Right, I've got a document. It's in an affidavit form and it's a statement of truth. I've been to see a solicitor and a notary to get the document notarised, of which has explained it's not a European document and doesn't need to be notarised. I then went to the magistrates court to present it to the magistrates courts for filing on the public record, and they said no, you don't need us, you need to go to the Crown and County, this place. So I've come down here now with my document to see if you are the correct people I need to register it with. Notice, basically. It's a notice, yes? Are you familiar with the statement of truth and affidavit forms? With
Normally, yes.
Yeah, thank you. That's music to my ears. Well, I've brought... What's it for? It's the framework.
What am I saying? I know you, or I'm swearing you.
You're completely at liberty to read the document. This is a framework which stipulates my positions within the legal and the lawful system. So you are aware that we have a legal system and a lawful system. Legal and lawful are two separate entities governed by different courts and different laws and different things like that. So within the jurisdiction of various bodies such as governments, councils, private entities, corporations, things like that, we have to follow statute and act. Some of these are governable by consent, and some of them, such as common law jurisdiction, are mandatory. And this is.
This after here.
Where
are you taking it? Who wants this?
This is. Oh, I'm going to contemplate taking the child support agency maybe to a tribunal initially, or to the Queen's Bench, or to the European Courts of human rights, because I've had my rights ignored and I've been abused and have been a subject of usury, and I believe I have suffered harm, injury and loss at their hands.
It sounds like there's been an existing case.
An ongoing, yeah. I've been dealing with the government under various umbrellas and sections, and I've been suffering, so I need to know. I wasn't aware of things that weren't given full disclosure to me at the time, of contracts and obligations and things, but now I am. My mum, you see the surname Jeremita, my mum was head of the law department at Derby University for 12 years, so she was the one that helped formulate the forthcoming year's curriculum that was to be laid out by the lecturers for the semester. They were the ones lecturing the coursework, and my mum was at the head of it at Derby doing the law, but she didn't, because she's within the law system. She was taught, had procedure, she wasn't taught the law, even though she'd been doing it 12 years. I had a long chat with my mum, a solicitor, a barrister, and also someone who knows a bailiff, and we've all chatted and communicated through email about my points there. And that's been 6 months in the making, that document, for me to actually understand the implied meanings of the words and the definitions. I've had to get a copy of Black's Law Dictionary to understand the definitions, which are all in the the laws and the legal system and legalese itself as well. So I'm now at the position where I can actually say to the government, and I've got a letter for the Prime Minister, the HMRC, various other people, the police, to actually inform them and serve them notice of who I am governable by, and who is governable to me, and get me out of certain obligatory undisclosed contract. It's so unbelievable, you wouldn't believe, but that's the document that does it. To start the ball rolling, yeah, with the courts.
Well, excuse me for a moment, yeah, because it's gone straight over my head, so...
Yeah, it's a lawful document, that is, love, and it's to define my legal position. Alright, bless you. She doesn't know what it is. Everybody, she hasn't got a clue, and I'm in the courts. What? I'm in YouTube. They don't know what this document is. It's a legal document. And this is a court. Stand by YouTube. You're gone. Where am I here? County Court, County Family and Civil. This is the right place.
Right, the person I want for you is not in the office at the moment. She only has about 15 to half an hour, not even that. She only has about 15 minutes. Are you alright to sit down and wait?
Yeah, well, I'll come back and I'll go and sit in the sunshine, get some dinner and come back.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm here till 1:30.
Alright then, my love.
Somebody else takes over back and you to explain the situation.
What?
I know North Northern, obviously in the building, but...
Yeah.
So she is the manager of the core building.
She's the what, sorry?
Manager of the core building, I want to.
Ah, she's on a dinner. Go. Oh, I'll go and do the same.
Thank you very much.
Bless you, thank you. No, it's alright, I'll be back. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
This one, ladies first.
Thank you.